डिमेंशिया डिमेंशिया इज लॉस ऑफ कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन। उससे हम कह सकते हैं डिमेंशिया जो है लॉस ऑफ मेमोरी को कह सकते हैं। जैसे कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन मतलब ये होता है कि लर्निंग, थिंकिंग, रीजनिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, डिसीजन मेकिंग। उसे डिमेंशिया किसी से अफेक्ट करता है? डिमेंशिया मेमोरी इफेक्ट करता है, थिंकिंग को अफेक्ट करता है, लैंग्वेज को इफेक्ट करता है, जजमेंट को, बिहेवियर को। अब हम देखते हैं डिमेंशिया। डिमेंशिया रिजल्ट फ्रॉम अ वैरायटी ऑफ डिजीज एंड इंजरी दैट प्राइमरली और सेकेंडली अफेक्ट द ब्रेन सच एज अल्जाइमर डिजीज और स्ट्रोक। Another is on the basis of WHO report, currently more than 55 million people live with the dementia in the world. Nearly 10 million new cases every year. Dementia mainly affect older people. It is an inevitable consequence of aging. The symptoms is, first symptoms we saw cognitive changes, confusion sense of direction, difficulty communicating, difficulty reasoning, and difficulty problem solving. This is our symptoms. And another is a difficulty with the coordination or motor function, difficulty with the planning or organizing, and difficulty handling complex tasks or confusion. And another is psychological changes. And psychological changes, first is personality changes, depression, anxiety, inappropriate behavior, hallucination. This is of psychological changes. Stages of dementia. First stage of dementia is early stages. This we say mild stages. Early stage of dementia is often overlooked because the onset is gradual. Common symptoms may include forgetfulness, struggling to express the emotion or ideas, becoming lost in the familiar places. Another stage is a mild middle stage, or we say mild moderate stage. As dementia progresses to middle stage, signs or symptoms become clear and may include forgetfulness of recent event and people's name, becoming confusion while at home, poor judgment. Another stage is late stage. Late stage is also called severe stage. And the late stage, the memory disturbance are serious and physical signs and symptoms are becoming unaware of the time and places, having difficulty recognizing relatives and friends, having an increasing need for the assisted self-care. And the causes, most common causes are Alzheimer's disease and vascular disease. Vascular disease is due to hypertension and atherosclerosis. Another causes are neurodegenerative disease, Parkinson's disease, chronic alcoholism, head trauma, brain tumor. Diagnosis. First, cognitive and neuropsychological test. In neuropsychological test, doctor will evaluate thinking ability. And second is brain scan, CT scan and MRI. These scan can check for the evidence of stroke or bleeding or tumors. Third diagnosis is a blood test. And the blood test to measure the level of beta amyloid, B12 deficiency. Fourth is genetic test. Some dementia are caused by the person's gene. Please do not take this medicine without prescriptions. Treatment. First we talk about medication. Cholesterol inhibitor help to improve the memory and cognitive functions. हमने दो मेडिसिन लिया है, डोनेपेजिल और ग्लिंटामाइन। ये दोनों टैबलेट जो है मेडिसिन डिमेंशिया में काम आते हैं। और ये डोनेपेजिल जो है एसिटाइलकोलिन बढ़ा देता है, मेमोरी और कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन को इम्प्रूवमेंट में हेल्प करता है। अनदर क्लासिफिकेशन इज NMDA receptor antagonist to improve the learning and the memory. Memantine is a tablet is used for the treatment of moderate to severe dementia associated with the Alzheimer's disease. Please do not take this medicine without doctor consult and without prescriptions. Another is a antipsychotic drug. Antipsychotic drug to treat the symptoms of anxiety, depression, and agitation. Risperidone is a tablet that is antipsychotic drug. And the another tablet is for anxiety is clonazepam or lorazepam for short term. Clonazepam and lorazepam is a tablet for anxiety. Please do not take this medicine without prescriptions and without consult to doctor. Please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.